what is the feeling? How are you seeing this activity?
No, it's a euphoric feeling. It's a feeling of living up to the expectations of the people who wanted us to come together. It's to show a united front and speak for the people of Maharashtra. That we saw happen today, and which was a very clear message that we all stand united, irrespective of our religion, irrespective of our caste identities, irrespective of our regional identities, irrespective of our economic status. It is time that we stood united and not be divided by the agenda of the Bharatiya Janata Party. And I will tell every Mumbaikar, every Maharashtrian, that you're Maharashtrian first, you're a Mumbaikar first, then you come from a separate region, then it's your religion, then it's your caste identities, then it's your economic status. It is first, your identity is that of a Maharashtrian and a Mumbaikar, and to stand united and stand together and vote for a political party which will work for one and for all.
There are also posters in Mumbai saying "Batenge to pitenge" after this alliance.
Again, a reflection of what BJP stands for. Ever since BJP became a political party, it continued the ideology of the Britishers. It took us 200 years because we were divided to fight the Britishers and to throw them out of this country. This BJP feels that they will also continue to rule over so many years by dividing the people on the basis of region, on basis of caste, on basis of religion. Maharashtra has seen Maratha Banam OBC, which never happened under their rule. We've seen the Hindu versus Muslim debate regularly in Maharashtra, which never used to happen. Then we are seeing a regional debate now, where they're dividing us into regions on the basis of the posters that they put. I will appeal to all the people of Uttar Pradesh and north of India, that I come from north of India myself, my parents come from there. I'm born and brought up here. This city gave me my wings to fly. This city gave me career opportunities. It gave my father job opportunities. It gave us economic status. It gave us a welcoming that no other state would give us. It gave us jobs. It made space for us. So it is time to stand with the Bhumi Putras who made that space for us, who welcomed us with open arms, and who said, let's develop, but develop together. So it's time to stand united, not to be divided by the agenda of the Bharatiya Janata Party.